Do you want to remove duplicates from OST, PST, EML, EMLX, MSG, or MBOX file format? Softtake can introduce email duplicate analyzer tool that helps you to remove duplicates from multiple file formats like PST, OST, EML, EMLX, MSG, MBOX. Using this advanced tool, you can easily remove duplicates from multiple files at a time. Software gives you multiple filters options to choose which kind of duplicates you want to remove. You can find duplicates within to, from, subject, body, attachment name and size. Now let's get started to start software process. First, open Softtake and Email Duplicate Analyzer tool and select your file type from input file type options. After section, you need to browse your files. Choose Select Folder having Files option to select folder having multiple files, or select Single/Multiple Files option to choose selected files. You can also choose Remove Duplicate types like Remove Duplicates across all folders or Remove Duplicates within each folder. Using this advanced tool, you can easily remove duplicates from multiple files. After this, choose Destination Path where you want to save your file.
Support all Windows versions. It supports multiple non-English languages, including Korean, Japanese, Chinese, etc. Free trial version is available on the official website. For any query, contact us.